Hello friends and my beloved students. Welcome to Gururam channel. Good morning students. Today our topic is measurement. First we are going to discuss about circumference of the circle. What is the formula? Circumference of the circle C equal to 2 pi r. R means radius. Here D means diameter. So circumference C equal to, we use this formula also, C equal to pi d, and d means it is equal to 2r, 2 radius. Calculate the circumference of the bangle. Here given d equal to 6 centimeter. You can use C equal to pi d formula also. Here I have used d equal to 2 radius. So 2 pi r formula I have used here. So 2r equal to 6 centimeter means r equal to 3 centimeter. So simply you write it d equal to 6 centimeter means r equal to 6 by 2 equal to 3. You can write it that also. So circumference of a circle C equal to 2 pi r. So 2 pi into 3, 2 pi value 22 by 7, or you put it to 3.14. So if you multiply all 2 into 3.14 into 3, you get it 18.84 centimeter. Next, what is the circumference of the circular disc of radius 14 centimeter? So you can use a 2 pi r formula. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 14. 7 and 14 you cancel it with the 7 table 2. So 2 into 22 into 2, that is 88 centimeter. We will see exercise 2.1 sums. So here given table, first sum radius given. So we have to find the diameter and circumference. So radius means diameter what? 2 into radius. 2 into radius equal to diameter. So 2 into 15 equal to 30 is diameter. So circumference pi d units. So pi is 22 by 7 into here d is 30. So multiply 660 by 7. If you divide, you get it 94.28 centimeter. Next is some circumference given. You have to find out radius and diameter. Circumference means what? 2 pi r. 2 pi r equal to 1560. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r equal to 1760. So you keep it r in the left side. So 2 and 22 by 7 go to the right hand side, it will come reciprocal. So 2 means 1 by 2. 22 by 7 means 7 by 22. Clear? So 1760 into 7 by 2 into 22. You cancel with 11 table. So 22 is 2. 2 11s are 22. And here 1760 cancel with 11. 11 is 11. 66. 6 11s are 66. 0. 160. So 160 into 7 by 2 into 2. So you cancel with the 2 and 160, 80 will come, and 2 and 80 cancel with the 2 table, 40 will come. So 40 into 7 equal to 280 centimeter is r. So diameter means 2 radius. So 2 into 280 equal to 560 centimeter. Next is some diameter given. So radius means d equal to 24 meter. We have to find out r. So d by 2. 24 by 2 equal to 12 meter. Circumference formula C equal to 2 pi r. Therefore 2 into 22 by 7 into 12. You multiply all the numerator, you get it 528 by 7. So divide, you get it 75.4 meter. Next question. Diameters of different circles are given below. Find their circumference. So diameter 70 centimeter. Circumference formula C equal to pi d units. So 22 by 7 into 70. 7 and 70 cancel with the 7 table, you get it 10. So 22 into 10, 220 centimeter. Next question. Find the circumference of the circle whose radii are given below. So here one radius is r equal to 49 centimeter. Use what formula? Circumference C equal to 2 pi r units. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 49. 7 and 49 cancel with the 7 table. 49 7 times, 7 1 time. So 2 into 22 into 7. That is 44 into 7. 308 centimeter circumference. Diameters of different circles given. Find their circumference. Here we have to take pi equal to 22 by 7. So given diameter d equal to 56 meters. So we use this formula, circumference of the circle pi d units. Pi is 22 by 7. So 22 by 7 into 56. 7 and 56 you cancel with the 7 table. 7 is 1 and 56 is 8. So 22 into 8 equal to 176 meter. Next, diameter given 28 millimeter. Here also use this formula pi d units. So 22 by 7 into 28. 7 and 28 cancel with the 7 table. You get it a 4. So 22 into 4 equal to 88 millimeter. Next, find the circumference of circles whose radii are given. Already we have seen one sum. This is second sum. This is radius equal to r equal to 91 millimeter. C equal to 2 pi r units. 2 into 22 by 7 into 91. So 1 7 is 7. 91 you cancel it to 1 7. Remaining 21. 3 7s are 21. So 2 into 22 into 13. That is 44 into 13 equal to 572 millimeter. Fourth one, the diameter of a circular wall is 4.2 meter. What is its circumference? Here diameter 4.2. So C equal to pi d units. So 22 by 7 into 4.2. So 7 and 4.2 cancel it. You get it 0.6. So 22 into 0.6. First you multiply with the 22 into 6. You get it 132. After here only one decimal point. One digit only. So 132 from right to left you put it 1 point, that is 13.2 meter. The diameter of the bullock cart wheel is 1.4 meter. Find the distance covered by it in 150 rotations. First circumference means what? One rotation. So first we will find out one rotation. After you multiply with 150. Diameter of the bullock cart wheel is d equal to 1.4 meter. One rotation means one circumference, its circumference. That is pi d units. 22 by 7 into 1.4. 7 and 1.4 cancel it to 0.2. So 22 into 2 is 44. One decimal place only, one digit. So 44 from right to left you put it 1.4.4 meter. One rotation 4.4 meter, 150 rotations 4.4 into 150. So 660. So 44 into 150, 6600. 1 point left. So from right to left, so 660 meter. Therefore, distance covered in 150 rotation equal to 660 meter. Sixth sum, a ground is in the form of a circle whose diameter is 350 meter. An athlete makes 4 revolutions. Find the distance covered by the athlete. So diameter of the ground 350 meter. One revolution means what? It is equal to circumference of the circle. So first we will find circumference of the circle pi d units. So 22 by 7 into 350. 7 and 350 you cancel it, you get it 50. So 22 into 50 equal to 1100 meter for one revolution or one rotation. So we will find distance covered in 4 revolutions. So 1100 into 4 equal to 4400 meter. Next, a wire of length 1320 centimeter is made into circular frame of radius 7 centimeter each. How many frames can be made? So first length of wire 1320 centimeter. Radius of each circular frame 7 centimeter. Therefore circumference of the frame 2 pi r. Therefore 2 into 22 by 7 into 7. 7 and 7 cancel it. You get it 44 centimeter. Number of frames made So length of wire by circumference of one frame. So 1320 by 44, you cancel with 11 table. First 4 11s are 44, 11 and 120 it will come. And for 4 and 120 you cancel it to 4 table, you get it 30. So number of frames 30. A rose garden is in the form of circle of radius 63 meter. The gardener want to fence it at the rate of rupees 150 per meter. Find the cost of fencing. Fencing means first it's outside boundary, that is circumference we have to find. So radius of the garden r equal to 63, circumference 2 pi r, so 2 into 22 by 7 into 63. 7 and 63 cancel with the 7 table, you get it 9. So 2 into 22 into 9 equal to 396 meter. Cost of fencing for 1 meter rupees 150 means 396 meter. That is 1 to many relation here, that is multiplication. So rupees 150 into 396 equal to rupees 59,400. So cost of fencing the garden rupees 59,400. So next one word questions. Formula used to find the circumference of a circle. Already we know that 2 pi r units. So next is c equal to 2 pi r. R refers to radius. If the circumference of the circle is 82 pi means find the value of r. R is what? 82 pi. 82 pi means 2 pi r equal to 82 pi. Or pi d equal to 82 pi. Pi pi cancel. So d equal to 82 means r equal to 82 by 2, 41 centimeter. Circumference of a circle is always what? More than 3 times of its diameter. Thank you, students. We will see in the next exercise.